Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Ever wondered who's actually pulling the strings behind your fancy investment app, Nutmeg? Yeah, I know, it's one of those things you might not think about, but trust me, it's a big deal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of finance to uncover the bank that's backing this investment platform. Let's face it, investing can be a maze. With countless options out there, it's easy to get lost. That's where platforms like Nutmeg come in, promising to simplify the process. But who's really behind this magic? Is it a standalone financial wizard, or is there a bigger bank pulling the levers? Now, you might be thinking, why does it even matter? Well, knowing who owns a financial platform can give you a better understanding of its goals, values, and potential risks. Plus, it's just plain interesting, right? So, let's get down to business. Who owns Nutmeg? Drumroll, please. It's J.P. Morgan Chase. Yep, that massive international banking giant. Now, before you start freaking out, let's break this down. J.P. Morgan acquiring Nutmeg might seem like a big fish swallowing a small one, but it actually makes a lot of sense. Nutmeg has built a solid reputation for making investing accessible to the masses. They've got a user-friendly platform, automated investment strategies, and a focus on transparency. On the other hand, J.P. Morgan brings its financial muscle, global reach, and expertise in wealth management. It's like combining the tech-savvy startup with a seasoned financial veteran. This partnership could be a game-changer, potentially offering Nutmeg customers even more features, security, and investment options. But let's not get carried away. While this acquisition is exciting, it's important to remember that your investments should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't just blindly follow a brand because of its parent company. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you're already a Nutmeg customer, you might see some changes in the future. Maybe new investment options, improved customer service, or even a rebranded platform. But, for now, it's business as usual. If you're considering Nutmeg, it's worth doing your own research. Look into their investment strategies, fees, and customer reviews. And remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how shiny the basket looks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay in control of your finances. Peace out.